Sound Corporate Imaging is soundci.com. In today's world, clear, concise, and effective communication is an integral part of any organization's success. So when you have a message to share, captivate and motivate your audience using the power of professional storytelling and professional narration. If you're selling a product or service, use the power of the spoken word to engage your audience. If you're communicating important ideas or policy, use the power of the spoken word to motivate your audience. Clear, concise, and conversational communication powered by the intimacy of the spoken word. You have a story to tell, and SoundCI can help you share it with your target audience. Here's how we can help. With a professional voiceover for your video, PowerPoint, or presentation. Use the power of audio to add a human dimension to your website. Sell more, have visitors stay longer. SoundCI provides narration for your e-learning package, documentaries, or film projects. Reach employees effectively with a professional podcast, interview, or voicemail message. Let Sound Corporate Imaging and our team of experienced communicators deliver your message clearly, powerfully, and effectively. Experience our experience. Call or email us today for more information on our services, pricing, and custom demos. Sound Corporate Imaging. Find us on the web at soundci.com.